Guys, meet my new friend. She has a beautiful fruit. I just met her and I'm trying to see, let's be friends. Let her kiss my palm. Can you kiss my palm, please? Thank you. Kiss it again. Thank you. Kiss it again. We're trying to let the world know we are friends. Can you kiss my palm again? Show the world. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Do that again. Thank you. Thank you. With your beautiful fruits. Can you do that again? Guys, look at the whole place is shaking. Look at, have you seen? It looks like this tree wants to hug